Hi, how's it? Let's talk about loops. Specifically, how can we iterate, that is, access each element in an iterable? Iterables are just a fancy name for objects that we can loop over. So let's say we have a list of names. Remember that this works for any iterable object. That means dictionaries, strings, tuples, and all kinds of arrays also apply. For this video, we're going to focus on a basic list of names. For our first method, we create a for loop that loops over each name in names. So for name in names, and what do we do to each name? We print each name to our screen. For our second method, we create a for loop that will loop over the length of the names list, moving through each index until the last index. So for index in range, and what's the range? The range is the length of the list. And what do we do to each index? We print each name to our screen through its index. For our third method, we use a while loop to access each index until the last index in the length of the list. To avoid an infinite loop, we'll create a counter. So index is equal to 0. Now, while index is less than the length of the names list, we'll print each name to the screen like so. Then increment the counter. So yeah, please like if you found this video helpful and subscribe to get more Python tips. Thanks for watching.